here. Now, as you may be aware, today is Valentines Day. Of course, being the boat, I don't get up to much romancing because I'm so repulsive and disgusting. But I do recall an incident in 1932 when I went on a romantic day out. Strangely enough, I never heard from the girl again, but I've decided to write her a love letter. I've got it here. I'll read it to you. It's a special little treat, haha. Dear sweetheart, I lay awake all month thinking of you, your fat smile, and our tryst in the Arctic tundra. Gruffly, I recall our meeting. How my heart broke with desperation when I first saw you. How grimy you looked in that pink brassiere and those two sodden pantaloons on your buttocks. I cherished every moment we were together and was shrill when our date came to a close. I can't say how malodorously I regret spilling urine on your shin. You were so disgruntled about it, however, for which I am grateful. You're so beautiful when you're disgruntled. You're blue most other times. Your eyes are like deep pools of hydrochloric acid, warmed in the moonlight. Your cheeks are as rosy as goats. Your lips are like succulent pies. Your hair is morning lilac, like a goat on a summer's day. Your intestines are two gargantuan polygonal spheres of indignation. I can't wait to convulse with you again. Write soon, delicately, your boat. So I'll send this to her, and hopefully I'll get a lovely reply and a bit of Valentine's Day romancing. Ha 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 ha. Well, I've got a reply. Ho ho ho. Ha ha. Let's see what she's got to say. Ha ha. Restraining order! Well, that went rubbishly. I blame you. This isn't the last you'll hear of this. Until then, I hate you so much.